कम इन जियोलॉजिकल नॉलेज। सो पिछले वीडियो में हमने जो बेसिक्स थे फोल्ड के उसके बारे में कुछ डिस्कस किया था, सम बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स अबाउट द फोल्ड, एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस फर्दर अबाउट द पार्ट्स ऑफ फोल्ड, ओके, आर द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फोल्ड्स. So let's start our discussion. So today's video is dedicated to the classification of folds, are the major types of classification which are given by the other authors, okay, or the names. So the first one is the type of fold in which the limbs dip away from each other at the crest is. So basically हम जो बेसिक्स क्वेश्चन हैं वहीं से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं कि जो बेसिक्स हैं वो आपके गलत ना होने पाए, ओके. So the type of fold in which the limbs dip away from each other at the crest is known as anticline, syncline, countercline, or doesn't exist. So basic है, very basic. We all know that anticline is the fold in which the limbs dip away from each other at the crest. Okay. So anticlines are defined as those folds in which the limbs dips away from each other at the crest in the simplest forms. Second one is the fold which convex downwards is known as. So options are anticline, syncline, eucline, or crestcline. So this is also very obvious or very familiar to you, that is syncline. So synclines are the reverse of anticline, we can say. In simpler terms, we can say synclines are reverse of anticlines in all details, and the strata are down arced in these types of folds. These become convex downwards, okay. Third one is which one of the following is not true about anticline. So these types of question are very important where four statements are given and you have to find out the odd one or the right one, okay. Or questions may be asked like that, which one about the anticline is true. Suppose that four statements are given here and out of those four statements only one is right and remaining three are wrong, so you have to choose out the right one. So you will be able to choose the right one or the wrong one only if you know the basics and all about that particular topic. Suppose if we talk about anticline, suppose if we take the example of this particular question where four statements are given about anticline, suppose you know only three statements, okay, and the fourth one is not known to you, then how will you decide that fourth one is right or wrong, okay. So it's very necessary to understand a topic clearly and with full exemption, that you must know each and everything about the particular topic. At this level you must know the basic definition. Actually if you analyze this question consists four statements and that makes the definition of anticline. So all the things which relates to anticline, those statements have been recorded in this question, okay. So it's important for you to understand the basics. So let's discuss our question. So four statements are given here about anticline and you have to pick which one is not true. First one is the strata are up arced, okay. Second is geologically older rocks occupy a position in the interior of the fold. Third one is the limbs dip away from each other at the crest, and last one is they are convex downwards, okay. So we all know that in anticline the strata are up arced, okay, and geologically older rocks or older beds occupy the position in the interior of the fold, and the limbs dip away from each other at the crest. But the fourth one, that they are convex downwards, this one is wrong. Okay, anticline is upwards, up arced upwards. So anticlines are said to convex upwards and they don't downwards. They don't down arc downwards. So synclines are convex downwards. So here option D is right. Next one is, what is the other name for the upright folds? Okay, symmetrical fold, asymmetrical fold, overturned fold, or the isoclinal fold. So जो symmetrical fold है, if we talk about symmetrical folds are also known as normal folds or the upright folds. In such a fold, the axial plane is essentially vertical. In the upright fold में जो fold axis है, that is essentially, sorry, the axial plane, that is essentially vertical. Essentially means in order a fold to be an upright fold, the axial plane must be vertical. Okay, and symmetrical folds are also known as the normal folds or the upright folds. Folds in which the limbs lie exactly one over another are known as, जो folds में limbs हैं that lie exactly over one another, what are they called? Isoclinal, symmetrical, recumbent, or the asymmetrical. So we all know that in recumbent folding, one limb comes to lie exactly under the other limb, so that if we drill a hole dug at the surface, in the upper limb will pass through the lower limb also, because they are horizontal. Okay, so here option C, recumbent fold, is right. Which of the following is also an overturned fold? Isoclinal, symmetrical, asymmetrical and recumbent fold. So basically जो आपका recumbent fold है, they are described as extreme type of overturned fold in which the axial plane acquires an almost horizontal altitude. Okay, जो आपका overturned fold है या recumbent fold है, they are described as extreme type of overturned folds in which the axial plane acquires an almost horizontal attitude. So option D, recumbent fold, is right answer. Seventh one is saying folds which flattened fold with flattened top is known as square fold, plateau fold, box fold, or conjugate fold. So we all know that box fold may be described as a special type of fold with exceptionally flattened top. जो बॉक्स फोल्ड में जो टॉप होता है या जो हिंज जोन होता है, दैट इज टॉप एंड स्टीप इंक्लाइंड लिम्स, जो उसकी लिम्स होती हैं, दीज आर वेरी स्टीप, almost forming three sides of a rectangular shape. If you see a box fold, its shape is like that they form three sides of a rectangle. So option C is right, box fold. The type of fold in which the fold angle is between 10 degrees to 90 degrees. जो क्लासिफिकेशन है, जो फोल्ड का क्लासिफिकेशन है, वो कई बेस पे किया गया है. कहीं कहीं एक्सियल प्लेन के बेस पे किया गया है, या उसकी सिमेट्री के बेस पे किया गया है, या एंगल के बेस पे किया गया है. सो दिस क्लासिफिकेशन और दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फोल्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर एंगल. सो टाइट फोल्ड, loose fold, gentle fold, or acute fold. So the type of fold in which the fold angle is between 10 to 90 degrees, and that is the tight fold. When it comes to fold angle as the basis of the classification, the fold with a fold angle between 10 degrees and 90 degrees is called the tight fold. अभी तो हम जो अल्टरनेटिव्स हैं या जो प्रिपरेशन है आपकी जो BHUPET की, या जो 2021 का जैम का एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है, तो इट्स फार अवे, दूर है अभी, बट जो BHUPET का है अभी मैं इसको उस पर फोकस कर रहा हूँ। ओके, सो ये एग्ज़ाम होने के बाद हम एक बार बेसिक्स के स्टार्ट करेंगे। जो बेसिक है हर सब्जेक्ट का, वो चाहे जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी हो, चाहे वो स्ट्रक्चरल हो, चाहे वो फिजिकल हो, चाहे वो पेट्रोलॉजी हो, इग्नियस मेटामॉर्फिक सेडिमेंटोलॉजी। सो जो जो आपके बेसिक ब्रांचेस हैं, जो जो एग्ज़ाम में आती हैं, स्ट्रेटिग्राफी है, पेलियोंटोलॉजी है, या इकोनॉमिक जियोलॉजी है, सो उसके जो बेसिक्स हैं वो हम एक बार आपको पूरा रिवाइज कराएंगे, या जो आपने पढ़ा हुआ है उसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो अभी के लिए आपका जो BHUPET का एग्ज़ाम है, तो उसके लिए मैं अल्टरनेटिव जो ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चन है, जो ऑब्जेक्टिव MCQs टाइप हैं, सो जितना आपने पढ़ रखा है पहले से, उसके बेसिस पे आप अपने आप को इवेलुएट करिए। जब एग्ज़ाम हो जाएगा तो हम उसको नए सिरे से, या जो सब्जेक्टिव टाइप है, या जो डिस्क्रिप्शन टाइप है, वहाँ से हम इसको बेसिक से स्टार्ट करेंगे, तब आपको करवा दिया जाएगा। सो इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, सो टाइट फोल्ड ranges in degrees from 10 degrees to 90 degrees. Which of the following is not a type of fold on behavior with the depth? हमने बताया ना, जो क्लासिफिकेशन है फोल्ड का, वो कई कई बेस पे किया गया है, ऑन सेवरल बेसिस। सो व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ फोल्ड बेस्ड ऑन द बिहेवियर विद द डेप्थ? कॉन्सेंट्रिक फोल्ड, सिमिलर फोल्ड, सुप्राटेनुअस फोल्ड, और द एसिमेट्रिकल फोल्ड। सो जो एसिमेट्रिकल फोल्ड है, the first three one options are the types based on the behavior with the depth, whereas asymmetric fold that is based on the position of axial plane. जो axial plane की position है उसके बेस पे जो folds का classification किया गया है, so asymmetrical fold and symmetrical fold उस category के हैं, बट जो डेप्थ के बेसिस पे क्लासिफिकेशन किया गया है, दे कंसिस्ट ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रिक फोल्ड, सिमिलर फोल्ड एंड द सुप्राटेनुअस फोल्ड। 10th one is isogons converge inwards in class 1 fold. So there is a statement given here that isogons converge inwards in class 1 fold, and you have to choose it out whether it's true or false. So let's talk it about. So basically it's true. In class 1 fold isogons converge inwards. Okay, जो isogons हैं they converge inwards, whereas in class 3 these converge upwards. So जैसे हमने पहले ही बात की ना, जो फोल्ड्स का क्लासिफिकेशन है वो डिफरेंट बेसिस पे किया गया है। सो ये जो क्लासिफिकेशन है डिप आइसोगन के बेस पे किया गया है, दैट इज रैमजेस क्लासिफिकेशन। सो उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है। ओके, तो यहाँ तक के लिए तो आप इसको केवल इस क्वेश्चन को समझ लीजिए, फिर हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में। सो क्लास 1 फोल्ड जो है उसमें आइसोगन्स कन्वर्ज इनवर्ड्स, whereas in the fold in class 3 these converge upwards. Okay, 11th one is where can folds be observed in the southern part of India? Means southern part, or we better know as the peninsular India. So Vindhyan regions only, Satpura region only, Vindhyan and Satpura region only ranges cannot found or cannot be observed in southern India. So आपको ये बताना है कि जो फोल्ड्स हैं वो सदर्न पार्ट जो इंडिया का है वहाँ, ये जो 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए इसमें से आपको चूज इट आउट करना है कि कहाँ पे मिलते हैं। ओके, सो विंध्यन एंड सतपुड़ा रीजन दोनों में मिलते हैं। इट डजंट मीन दैट इन सदर्न पार्ट ओनली folds occur in Vindhyan and Satpura region, not other regions of southern India. No, we are talking about this particular question. Okay, so among the peninsular mountains only the Vindhyans and the Satpura region show ranges show the folding in a prominent manner, है ना। कुछ माइनर फोल्ड्स हैं, और जो आपके सदर्न इंडिया में है वहाँ पे भी माइनर जो फोल्ड्स हैं वो तो हैं, बट जो मेजर फोल्ड्स हैं दे हैव बीन अकरिंग इन विंध्यन एंड सतपुड़ा रीजन। नेक्स्ट वन इज वेयर इज द लिडार वैली एंटीक्लाइन सिचुएटेड? जो लिडार वैली एंटीक्लाइन है, वेयर इज इट सिचुएटेड? इन कश्मीर हिमालयाज, उत्तराखंड हिमालयाज, सिक्किम हिमालयाज और द हिमाचल हिमालयाज। सो जो आपका लिडार वैली हिमालय है, that anticline is in Kashmir Himalaya, and this is often represented as a classic example in that almost complete sequence of Paleozoic era is fully developed in this anticline. जो लिडार वैली है कश्मीर की, that is often represented as a classic example in that, because it shows a complete sequence of Paleozoic era in a fully developed in this anticline. Okay, so this was our today's discussion about folds, or the parts or the classifications of the fold. Okay, and we will talk some more concepts or some more questions related to fold terminology or the fold mechanics. Okay, thank you.